Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Epirus tests high-power microwave system against Fibre optic guided drones at US government site. Epirus has released video footage showing its Leoniders vehicle kit high-power microwave platform successfully disabling a fibre optic guided unmanned aerial system during a live-fire demonstration in December 2025. The test, conducted at a United States government site, marked the first known instance of electromagnetic interference being used to defeat a fibre optic controlled drone. Fibre optic first-person view drones have become widely used in contested environments, particularly in Ukraine, where they are employed daily for attack and intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Unlike conventional unmanned aerial systems, these drones rely on fibre optic cables rather than radio frequency links, making them immune to jamming, spoofing and other traditional electronic warfare countermeasures. According to Epirus, the Leoniders platform defeats such drones by delivering precise, software-defined electromagnetic interference that disables critical onboard electronics without kinetic force or radio frequency disruption. The system uses non-ionizing radiation, is designed to be safe for humans when used as intended, and allows operators to influence a target's drop zone to reduce collateral damage. Ukrainian Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Digital Transformation Mikhailo Fedorov has stated that Russian forces are deploying fibre optic drones with ranges of up to 31 miles, describing them as a very considerable threat to logistics and personnel. A United States Army analysis from August 2025 similarly assessed these systems as POS-E, a significant counter-UAS challenge, and extremely difficult to detect and target. Andy Lowy, Chief Executive Officer of Epirus, said, "The proliferation of fibre optic guided UAS represents a major shift in drone warfare and exposes a growing operational gap for counter-UAS defenses, one that Leoniders is designed to address and close." He added, "Leoniders' ability to defeat this new class of threat represents an important breakthrough in safe, non-kinetic defense against emerging drone tactics and reinforces Epirus' leadership in scalable, one-to-many counter-UAS platform development." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology.